Hey guys, it's Alyssa Marie here. So your girl is looking a little different today. If you had only seen my hair before this though, I mean you're about to if you're ready. I wanted to show you guys how I like to go from a super awful hair day to a boom hair day. I honestly love this hairstyle and I think it makes me look quite different and I like that about it. So here we go. If you are interested in seeing how I went from bad to boom, then just continue to watch. Alright, so my hair is a hot mess. I am having an awful hair day. So it's the day before wash day. My hair is dry, fed up, and crazy. I had it pinned up in a hairstyle yesterday and so I just let it out and it's just looking all types of crazy. So I'm gonna show y'all how I like to take this from bad to boom. So first I'm gonna grab my DIY curl refresher. It's just a mixture of water, a little bit of conditioner, and then a few drops of castor oil. I just shake it up and then I just like to spritz it in my hair to get a little bit wet, get the curls kind of popping back into action. All right, so I kind of used a lot. My hair is pretty damp, but it was in a pretty bad state. So the more damp it is, the easier it is to manipulate it and just kind of bring it back to life. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard by Aunt Jackies to kind of continue to bring these curls back to life. Oh, this stuff, I've always loved how this stuff smells. I actually used to use this a lot in my hair when I was transitioning. It really helped me to get my relaxed ends to curl up. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and scrunch my hair to activate the product a little bit more and get these curls popping. All right, so as you can see, the curls have now kind of come back to life a little bit thanks to our Curl Lala. And now I'm just gonna grab a bandana. This is one that I just picked up from Zara. I think it was maybe like 11 bucks or something. And then I'm just gonna fold it into a triangle. And then I'm just gonna tilt my head forward. So I'm just smoothing the back and the sides of my hair up towards the front and just leaving the front curls to be wild. So now that my hair is all smoothed out in the right areas, I'm gonna grab the bandana and then apply it, bring it from the back to the front and then tie it in the front while leaving some curls out in the front to look a little cute. You're gonna wanna bring the tail end of the bandana through and then tie on top of it. Alright, and now I feel like I have a little bit too much hair out on my forehead. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick some of these in the side underneath the bandana. Alright, and then I'm just gonna sweep my bangs to the side a little bit so that I can actually see. Alright guys, so that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a perfect hairstyle for one of those days where you're just having a bad hair day and you just need to get through the day. You want to look half decent, but you ain't got time to do a full wash and go. This would be perfect for that kind of day. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!